YouTube, what's up, y'all? Addict Trader X back with another video. Good morning, good evening, whichever one applies to you. Shout out to you if you recently subscribed to my channel. Welcome. All right, great place to get some technical analysis on Vote, and any other crypto that you might want to get some technical analysis on. Just comment down below. All right, updates on the crypto market, updates on the markets in general. So, and I do have trading content as well. Check it out. And yeah, for those of you who are not subscribed yet, if you could please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and the bell notification for future uploads like this. Guys, what a great start to the month. It's just been amazing. We have some nice little updates coming, so stay tuned for that, y'all. Just a reminder, we are doing a $200 giveaway once I reach 500 subscribers. So two people are going to win $100 each. And I'm going to be paying it out in Vote or in ETH. So, but definitely one or the other. Nothing else. No PayPal, no Cash App. None of that. No gift cards. I'm not doing that. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, you won't be participating in the giveaway. And if you're not invested into crypto, then this is not for you. This is for the people who have been subscribed, who are subscribed, who are invested into crypto. Just got to put that out there. It's got to be fair. If you're looking to invest into crypto, well, hey, you're in the right place, especially with this project that I'm speaking about. Nothing but gains coming, all right? So let's get right into it.
Yeah. I got me some vote. 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 You should get you some vote. Fill up your bags. Back up the.
All right, y'all. So we got Vote sitting at 6 zeros 9525. Ladies and gentlemen, we are getting very close to knocking that zero off. Look at that beautiful chart, man. Very beautiful. We done surpassed this resistance area. We had a little resistance here, and now we're heading to the next level of resistance, which is at 6 zeros 9880. All right. Anywhere from here to let's see, from here to 5 zeros 1. All right. So hopefully we break it. We do have news. Let me show you right here. For those of you who don't know and are new to my channel, if you're looking for any type of economy market news that's upcoming, you go here to forexfactory.com. That's what I use, and you can get all your information here, right? So red folders mean high impact, orange folders mean medium impact, yellow folders mean minimal impact, and we do at 8:30. We have high impact folders. So you can see right here we got 4 of them actually, 3 at 8:30 and 1 at 10 o'clock. So we have the average hourly earnings. We have NFP, non-farm employment change, and unemployment rate. Very important information. As long as the numbers come out good, right? We're gonna continue. We should continue pushing up, okay? And excuse me, guys. And just a quick reminder, right? No one can ever tell you exactly what's gonna happen in the markets. Remember, crypto is very volatile, okay? So, yes, high risk, high reward, right? So, with that said, you don't want to invest more than you can afford. You don't want to invest what you're not willing to lose. What you invest is something you're like, hey, I'm investing this. I don't. If I lose it, I lose it. Whatever, right? But so as long as the numbers come out good, we should see a push up continuation, right? And for me, I've noticed on Fridays around the afternoon time, around 4 or 5 o'clock for some reason, we tend to start really pushing up. I noticed that. And then, of course, the weekends come and we start consolidating. But it would be nice to actually hit that 5-0 mark and above, right? And especially if Batoshi drops that news that we're waiting on, right? That announcement that we're waiting on. And there was a tweet sent just a little while ago. Guys, it's 4:21 in Georgia where I'm at Eastern time, right? And look at that. Jumped up again, 9628. You guys are seeing it live right here, all right? So we're working our way up. If Batoshi does drop this information, man, that would be something, right? That would be very, very nice. It would definitely impact vote, and we could possibly continue pushing up. And if there is that announcement that's going to take us to the all-time highs, right? Let me go ahead and zoom this in. Apparently, there's like a bet going on that we will hit this all-time high this month, right? Right up here. Very important, guys, that once we reach this level, there's going to be $1 million burn on the supply for vote. And so, whatever this announcement is, to get up there, and that he's certain to bet $30,000 with this person, and that person doesn't even have to bet money. All he has to do is, if we don't make it there this month, right, then all he has to do is promote vote, pretty much, okay, on his channel, on his whatever. So I don't think Batoshi would risk $30,000 worth of vote, because that $30,000 worth of vote, when it does start pumping and going on that bull run, $30,000 is going to be worth millions, all right? So he's giving this man millions of dollars. If you really think about it, that's millions of dollars he's giving him. So I don't think Batoshi would actually bet without really knowing that whatever it is that he's going to announce is not going to push up. You get what I'm saying? This announcement has to be major. It has to be something that he knows is going to definitely push the markets up. So guys, with that being said, not financial advice, right? But if you haven't already, if you're new to vote and you haven't gotten a bag yet, I'm saying what I would do. Now is the time, right? Not financial advice. I would invest right now. Great time. Look at where we're at. Look at these levels that we're at, man. And where the heck did my line go? All right, I'm sorry. I had a line here. Okay, so this is our trend line right here, right? If you notice here, every time we come up to this trend line, we tend to bounce back up. All right, we come down, we push back up to this trend line here. We come down, push up, come down, push up, and we did have this pump, and that was Volti change. And then we came back down. We consolidated around here a bit, created a double bottom pattern. This is a candlestick pattern, okay? To me, this is a double bottom, okay? And now we are pushing up, and I mean, it'd be nice to get further than this resistance area right here, but if there is no major catalyst, no major announcement to push it beyond this point, then we're possibly just going to end up ranging around this area, maybe even come back down and retest and correct itself, right? For those of you who are new to crypto and you don't know, and if obviously the data is right here, right? The information is here, the history is right here. When we have a pump, when we push up, we do come back down. Okay, that's normal. It's healthy, especially because we're not really in a full bull run, right? So we're gonna see pullbacks. We're not gonna ever just pump. You know what I mean? We did have a pump right here, right? But this is when Volt. It's different. When a coin launches or a migration happens, things tend to like push up, right? But for the most part, if there's not like a major announcement or we're not a full-on bull run, we're gonna see pullbacks, okay? And that's just price correcting itself coming back down and retesting areas that we broke out of. Okay, so it's normal, it's healthy. Don't sell your investment or exit your position because you're saying that vote came down. I've been holding for a while, and yes, we made it all the way up, and then we came back down. Come up, and then we came back down. It's fine because you know why? Everything's on sale. Things are on clearance. That just means you have another opportunity to add more to that bag and increase your investment, right? Because now that we're back down in this level, we had a major opportunity. We are in a major opportunity to get a lot more into our investment, because when we do have that push up, best believe it's going to impact your wallet, your bags, whatever you want to call it. It's going to turn your investment around, all right? Patience is key. Patience is very important in this type of space, okay? And if you're not patient, if you're not willing to hold for a year or more, for generational wealth, right? I don't really want to keep throwing that out there like that, but because it sounds like fugazi and shit, right? But if you're not willing to hold to have a better lifestyle and future for yourself, then find another way, right? And I'm not trying to be cold or so guys, we have a great opportunity. We're in a great time right now to where it's still early, okay? I mean, look how long we have to get to the all-time high. So you're still early, guys, okay? I'm not saying that you're not early. Oh, it's too late to get in. No, it's never too late. But the further that we go up, the chances of us coming back to these zones right here, like I always say it in my videos, is minimal, okay? So, let's give an example, right? Let's say we do pump up over here and it rejects like it has before, right? Then we come back down, right? We'll say we come back down. The next areas that we would come to would be around here. But if you notice, we're getting higher. We're higher than these other times. Here, okay? So, it's very important that you understand that, okay? So when we do have opportunities to come back to these levels, invest some more. You ain't got to throw a lot. If you can't afford much, that's okay. The little that you do invest makes a difference, all right? That's money you wouldn't have had. That's money you probably would have wasted, right? That's money that hey, instead of eating it and throwing it away for a 10-minute euphoria, how about long term? Think long term, right? So I'm doing something a little different. Normally I go off by the higher time frames, only because it's more confirmation. But to kind of give you guys a better perspective of what's going on, there's a lot more data the lower time frames we go. Okay, so that was that push that we had. We rejected, came back down, got into this bearish pennant, right? Broke out of the pennant, came down, rejected, came up, all that stuff, right? Now we're here. This is now, okay? And this is the candle, and this is what we're working on, all right? So price is definitely has held here and pushed up, broke out of this resistance area, and now we're pushing up, guys, all right? And it seems like we're gonna get to that 5-0 mark. I believe we will knock off a zero today. I'm very certain. Now, I'm not saying that's a guarantee. I'm not saying that, but it from what it looks like, we are pumping, man. It's looking very beautiful. Okay, we got nice bullish candle closures. All right, this is a Marabuzzo candle right here. Okay, that is a beautiful candlestick that you want to have, meaning there's barely any wick at all, no wick on top, hardly no wick on the bottom. It's a Marabuzzo candle, meaning there's a lot of buyers in the market, there's a lot of volume, okay, because these candlesticks represent volume. That's what they represent, okay? So right now there's a lot of volume, and it makes sense. Look how many buys that are coming in now. All right, 150 buys in the last 24 hours and only 35 sells. Okay, so we're definitely seeing a lot more movement. Let me go ahead and go to the 30-minute. Looking very, very beautiful, man. All right, very beautiful pattern right here, and we're just continuing to push up. Okay, now hopefully the news comes out good, and we continue this push. Okay, guys. So the higher the time frame, the better the confirmation, guys. All right. That's what I'm gonna say about that. All right. So let me go ahead and get you guys to. This is Ethereum, guys. So this is the daily time frame. We are still in a range. We rejected with a doji candle. Okay, meaning pretty much where we came back to where we opened up from. Okay, and now the new candle has formed. There's a new candle that's forming, and so far I'm seeing a higher low. Okay, meaning prices continuing to go higher. So we got a high and then we got a low. So we got a higher low than the previous candlestick, right? So I believe a lot of people, again, just like yesterday, people, when there's news, people tend to want to wait for that news to come out before the markets start actually being impacted, before the markets actually push. So let's go ahead and check out the global market cap. All right. Right here, let me go ahead and refresh that real quick. Okay, so we're down. Yesterday we was up to 1.10 trillion dollars globally, right? But now we're down to 1.8 trillion. We're down 1% for the 24 hours. Bitcoin back down to 23,440. Ethereum 1642. BNB up 320 to 324 actually. XRP is holding at 41 cents. Cardano is back down to 39 cents. Dogecoin back down to 9 cents point one. Matic $1.18, ranging. Everything is ranging right now. Okay. Shiba Inu pumping actually with 4 zeros, 1264. And then we have Chronos, guys, sitting at 8 cents. All right. So everything is in a range right now. Like I said, when there's news, it is the weekend coming up, so things start to fluctuate a bit. And when you do have a push, you tend to come back down. That's very important that you guys know that. Don't ever get scared because you're not seeing it fully just pump up. That's not gonna happen. It's not gonna just fully pump. Okay, guys. Now, if you're new to the Twitter page, this is our Vote Inu official Twitter page. Wow, holy schmack. Damn. Guys, we was like at 107,000 followers yesterday. We gained. Now we're at 121,000 followers. That's awesome. Meaning a lot more people are starting to get aware of Vote, man. That is a beautiful thing to see. Beautiful, beautiful thing to see. Us influencers are doing our part. We're trying to get this information out there. We're trying to get awareness to people who don't know about Vote, because before it takes off, we want to get as much people in so everybody can eat, so everybody can break bread, man. All right? It's all about breaking bread so everybody can eat. And the more people involved in this investment, the more push we have, right? So guys, if you're not aware of where to purchase Vote, this is our utility. This is where you can go ahead and purchase crypto, okay? And voltichange.net. All right, so if you're new, you go to voltichange.net. You can go on the internet. You can use it on your phone. Go to Trust Wallet, MetaMask. Go to the browser section and type in voltichange.net. You want to buy Vote on voltichange.net. Why? Because we help burn supply for Vote. All right, you helping burn that supply, and what that means is less supply, more demand. Right. So the more that we're burning, the more supply that we're decreasing, the more valuable our investment is worth. Okay, so you connect your wallet. Here is your favorite trades. Once you connect your wallet, you'll have your favorite trades, your trade history. Okay, you go here. You might have to have compatibility mode on. Just know that. Okay, so here's the token and data. Ethereum. You can use BSC. Binance Network, right, or Ethereum to purchase. We have it in both. You can also choose Shiba Inu, Tether, Chronos, whatever. These are the preset tokens, but you can also look anything under the ERC and the BSC network. Type in the name, token address, paste it here. Okay. Now, let me tell you something. If there's another coin that you're interested in purchasing, right, or investing in, use it. Go to VoltiChange.net. Why? Because you're gonna help burn supply for that as well. We burning supply for every token under the ERC and BSC network. All right. So not only are you helping burn supply for Volt, you're helping burn supply for that investment as well, whichever one it is. Okay. Never done before. We are the first to do it. So guys, we are changing the crypto game for real. Not me, not us, but us as a Volt Army. Yes, we are pushing the word out there. But with Toshi, I gotta give him his props. Gotta give him his flowers. This man is really changing the game, and other people are starting to jump on this. But it was done with him first. So if you are a project, you can actually add the widget, this widget here, to your page, and have your community buy from your page, right? So this right here is a trending bar. I always gotta say it. You have the top 10 coins that are burning the most supply up there. Obviously, Volt number 1, as this should be. Okay, so guys, let's go ahead and get back to Twitter. VoltiFlex, guys, is another utility that's coming where we're gonna have global staking. All right, it's gonna be a global staking platform where you're gonna help burn and earn. You can burn and earn at the same time. Not only do we get reflections for Volt, for holding Volt, okay, but you can stake your coins. If you're gonna hold your coins, then why not stake it and earn more income? All right, guys. So it is coming, guys. We're just waiting on that announcement. All right. Now this is the tweet that I was talking about, guys. Okay. Good morning. All right. The mornings before a Volted run hit different with these eyes. There's something about that eyes, man. So 3:24 a.m. Normally around 3-4 in the morning, Toshi sends out these tweets, man, and they definitely mean something, guys. All right. Shout out to Jake Gagan. Check him out. Go to his YouTube channel. Subscribe. Get active, guys. All right. $1 million burn at new all-time high. Vote, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. That is something I'm definitely looking forward to, guys. Okay, guys, get active in this community, man. Shout out to Jazz Royce. Check him out. Another YouTuber, guys. I'm not trying to keep y'all all to myself, man. No, check every influencer's video out. Show them love, show them support, because we take time out of our day to knock these videos out and give you guys information. Sometimes you might hear it from someone else first. Sometimes you might hear it from me first. Who knows? But every other YouTuber might have different information, right? So here it is. This is Ian. Shout out to him, man. Great story. Check out the live on Ladybug's channel on YouTube. And I was on there as well as many beautiful ladies were on that live. Okay, Thursday nights. Check it out, Volted Lady Nights. All right, but amazing story for this man right here. Shout out to him. And I come from a similar background, and I've yet to not put my story out there like that. But so for the fact that he was able to do that and tell his story, salute, man, because it takes a lot to be able to come out and say something like that and not worry about being judged and people looking at you different, right? People make mistakes in the past. He is a UFC fighter. Okay, come check him out, man. Great guy, man. UFC crypto king, marketer. He's great guy. Check out the live. All right. It will definitely touch your hearts, man. Okay. We're all about supporting the community, supporting everyone. Shout out to Game Bangers, YL, right? Shout out to Jazz Voice, like I said. Shout out to So Cool Dad. Shout out to Ladybug, Crypto Latina, NZ. Shout out to Bleed. Shout out to everyone who is supporting us in the Volt Army. Shout out to there's so many of us. Jake Gagan, Rodney, which is Crypto Journey, Crypto San, Guys, there's so many of us, man. Okay, and more to come. All right. So let's see what else is new out here. So guys, we have 76 projects that have integrated the voltage change widget. Shout out to every single project who has done that. I'm gonna like that, retweet that. Let's see right here. Musk hydration. I added voltage change to the site, and you can now use this base to change. Use this base change to buy hydrate. Okay, another crypto project, guys. You know, listen, Jay Gagan is he's always got lives going on, so check him out, man, because there's information that I definitely don't get. He gets them first, so check him out, man. So guys, there's always something going on. There's always spaces on Twitter, lives going on daily. All right, throughout the whole day, there's lives going on. All right, so you want to be tapped in on this. Like I said, Ladies Night with Ladybug, check her out. There was one yesterday, so the next one will be next week, obviously, right? And you want to check that out, man. There's always something going on. There's always news to be seen. Shout out to Crypto Che, Crypto Mama, Crypto Latina. Every morning, Monday through Fridays, she has a coffee and vote update, and awesome person. I come on the lives every once in a while. So check it out, guys. Tap in because we have tons of fun on these lives. All right, tons of information given. Okay, and Batoshi the developer ends up popping up sometimes and drops little hints. So if you're not tuned in, tune in, man. Time to vote the gap, bro. All right. If vote reaches SHIB's current market cap, its price would be 3011. That makes 142x. You can now compare Vote Inu and Shiba Inu with over 3,500 coins at comparemarketcap.com. That's pretty cool. All right, guys. So listen, that is all I have for you today. I just wanted to do. So look, they are doing a $4,000 vote giveaway. Okay, 100 lucky winners share $4,000 in vote. Check this out, man. There's always giveaways too, man. So not only am I doing a giveaway, I believe Bleaves is doing a giveaway this morning as well. So tap into his live later today and check in on that and see what's going on. You can stake Vote Inu on Lucky Roo. All right, check that out as well. I mean, there is just so much going on. Man, do your own research. If you're new, do your own research. If you're part of the Vote Army already and been part of it, you know what's up. Salute to all of y'all for holding that bag. Guys, it's almost time. We're almost there to where we're gonna start seeing a difference in the wallets, in the market, all that. All right, guys. So I'm sorry to cut this short. I do have to get going though. But salute. Stay safe. Stay voted. Stay flexed. Peace.